Let's start with overjet. An overjet is where your upper front teeth are pushed out and pushed forward. The appearance of an overjet looks like this, and there are different severities of overjet. Normally your upper teeth should sit approximately 2 mm in front of your lower front teeth. The cause of overjet can be genetic, so some people have smaller upper jaws which results in less space for the teeth, so they push out forwards. Sometimes what we call bad habits during childhood can be a leading cause. This includes habits such as thumb sucking, mouth breathing, early tooth loss and use of pacifiers. Usually in most clinical cases we see a combination of genetics and bad habits as the cause. To summarise, less space for the upper teeth and potential habits which push the upper teeth forward cause overjets. Some problems which may occur by leaving overjets untreated include abnormal appearance of the smile and alignment of the teeth, speech difficulties, difficulty eating and risk of trauma from lower teeth contacting the soft tissues behind the upper front teeth. Some ways for treating overjets are with orthodontic braces or aligners. The purpose is to create space to reposition your front teeth so there is room to move them into the correct position. Some of the ways to create this space can be expansion of the upper jaw using various functional appliances or braces and aligners. It could also be with the extraction of some teeth, and then following on we could use braces or aligners. In severe cases, sometimes jaw surgery is required.